Hello everyone, today we will make this very cute granny square small bag. For making this I am using cotton yarn, 2.25 mm crochet hook, scissor, a button and this. Let's start with magic ring. Now chain 1, 2, 3, 1 double crochet in ring, second double crochet in ring, so 3 chain will be calculated as a first double crochet. Now 2 more, so total 3 double crochet, and now 2 chain, again 3 double crochet in ring, 1, 2 and 3. Now 2 chain, 1, 2, again 3 double crochet, first double crochet, second double crochet and third double crochet, again 2 chain and again 3 double crochet, first double crochet, second double crochet and third double crochet, again 2 chain. So we made 4 time pattern of 3 double crochet in between 2 chain. Now I will pull the thread and make it tight. Now I will connect to the first where we made 3 chain. On the top of third chain I will connect it by slip stitch. Now I will cut the thread. Now I will add another color. Here in 2 chain gap space I will connect it by 3 chain. It will count as a first double crochet. Now 1 more double crochet and 1 more, so total 3 double crochet including 3 chain as a first double crochet. Now 2 chain, again I will make 3 double crochet in same 2 chain gap, first double crochet, second double crochet and third double crochet. Now I will move here in 2 chain gap space. Here I will make 3 double crochet, first, second and third, 3 double crochet, again 2 chain, 1 and 2, again 3 double crochet in same gap, first, second double crochet and third double crochet. Now here I will move here in 2 chain gap, again 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3 double crochet, 2 chain, again 3 double crochet, 1, 2 3. Now I will move here into chain gap. Here again I will work 3 double crochet, first double crochet, second double crochet and third double crochet, and 2 chain, 1 2, again 3 double crochet in same gap, first double crochet, second double crochet and third double crochet. Now I will connect here on the top of third chain by slip stitch. And now I will cut the thread. Now I will add my third color in between the corner here. Start with chain 1 2 3. It will count as a first double crochet. In same space 2 more double crochet, first and second double crochet. Now we will come here in corner in 2 chain gap area. I will work 3 double crochet, first, second double crochet and third double crochet. Again this is a corner, so 2 chain. I will make 3 more double crochet in same gap, first double crochet, second double crochet and third double crochet. Now here in gap I will work 3 double crochet, 1 2 and 3. Again here in corner I will make 3 double crochet, 2 chain and 3 double crochet, second double crochet and third double crochet, again 2 chain and again 3 double crochet, first, second and third. Here 3 double crochet, first, second and third. Again we have reached at our corner here in 2 chain gap, again 3 double crochet, 2 chain and 3 double crochet. So I will follow same pattern all around and complete my work. I have completed my work. Now I will connect to the third chain by slip stitch and cut the thread. Now I will add my another color, the fourth one, black color, and make a chain 1 2 3, 2 double crochet, first and second, now here I will make again 3 double crochet, first, second and third. Now here corner in 2 chain gap I will make again 3 double crochet, first, second double crochet and third double crochet, 2 chain, again 3 double crochet, first, second and third. Here again 3 double crochet, first, second double crochet and third double crochet. Again here in gap 3 double crochet, first double crochet, second double crochet and third double crochet. Again here in 2 chain gap at the corner 3 double crochet, first, second and third. Again I will make a corner by adding 2 chain, first double crochet, second double crochet and third double crochet. Again here in gap I will work 3 double crochet in each gap, first, second double crochet and third double crochet. So I will follow same pattern all around by making 3 double crochet in each gap and at the corner 3 double crochet, 2 chain, 3 double crochet all around and complete my work. I have completed my work. Now I will connect to the slip stitch here. Here it is. I will cut the thread. Here is our granny square. I already made these 5 squares. Now I will attach these square in this shape. So first I will take 2 squares, front side and back side. Now we will assemble pieces. Let's start from the corner from 2 chain gap. This is a black color dark, so it won't show through, so I will show you how to work with a light color. We will assemble all 4 pieces in this manner. First connect and 1 chain. Now take first loop from outside to inside and take the loop and pass through this loop. In second side square piece, take the loop and pass through this. Again from outside to inside, pass through and grab the yarn and pass through this. Now 1 stitch of second square, pass through and like this, grab the yarn, pass through this loop, crochet loop, again this side, pass through this loop, grab the yarn and pass through this. So we will get this type of design. I will work from black color, matching color, so I will join till here and now I will take another piece. When I complete till here, now I will take another piece and connect it like this. So I will connect all 4 pieces, this side and this side, and then I will show you how it look like. I will connect to the black color. I have connected all 4 pieces and one piece for cap. Now we will make a cord for tighten the bag. So I have doubled the thread, and now I will take one thread on the hook and the other one pass through this loop. One thread on hook and second thread pass through these 2 loops. One thread on hook and from one pass through this loop, like this. So I will continue making a long cord. We will get this type of. Now I will start adding it. Here it is. I have added this cord. Now I can adjust and pull it. Here it is. Now I will add snap button in front of this cover. Here it is. I have added snap button. Now I will attach this chain. Here it is. Our cute mini bag is ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.